Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in a very long time, and I have had quite a few Makeup Revolution palettes bought for me for Christmas, and I've just got my hands on a few new ones. This one I'm so excited to try out. Like, I literally could not wait to do a look, and this is the look I've created. But this is basically from a subscriber. She sent me this, and it's basically, I won it in a giveaway. So this is called the Cotton Candy iHeartRevolution palette, and I am absolutely in love. I absolutely love Makeup Revolution's iHeartRevolution palettes. I think the quality is just absolutely amazing, and I'm going to show you all of the colours now. How pretty are all of these colours? So yeah, this is the look that I've created. I thought it was kind of pretty, and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to show you how I created this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So the first thing I basically did was I kind of created like a transition colour, because I feel like when you've got a transition colour, everything kind of falls into place with it. So, using a big fluffy brush, these are from the Unicorn Cosmetics range, I am going to be taking this colour, and it's called Treat For You, and basically just picking that up, I'm going to apply that into my crease. So from the outer corner, I'm going to go inwards. Just make sure you can see it really well. It doesn't matter how kind of messy we are, because I'm going to clean it up afterwards. So once you've kind of got that look, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colour Puff, which is this kind of dark purpley kind of colour. It actually looks like it's going to be quite pigmented, but it's not. But I do really want like a dark colour to go on the outer corners. So with that colour Puff, I'm going to pop that into the outer corners. Again, it doesn't matter how messy you are, because it's all going to be cleaned up afterwards. I actually have really missed doing makeup videos. I feel like Vlogmas literally wiped me out, because I was just doing daily vlogs, editing and stuff, so I just really kind of miss sitting down and just enjoying doing makeup and stuff. Let me know if you prefer vlogs or makeup down below. Makeup videos or vlogs. So once I've done that, I'm going to be taking some concealer. So the concealer I'm using is the Clinique All About Eyes concealer, and I'm just going to take a tiny little flat brush. If you have a concealer that's got a wand, then it's even better, because you can basically just draw it on, but I'm using one that's got like a bit of a tube, so I'm just going to pick some of that up, and I'm going to just find that kind of dent in your eye. You'll feel it, just pop your brush and you'll feel it, and just kind of bring it up just halfway. And it really doesn't matter how messy it is, because we're going to blend it out so it's all nice and neat afterwards. Okay, so just like that. Then what I'm going to do is, so that doesn't kind of budge out of place, is I'm going to take the colour Sweet Tooth, and I'm going to pop that over my eyelid just to set that concealer in place so it doesn't budge. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this gorgeous colour, which is this Pretty in Pastel, which is the colour I've been dying to use. This is absolutely stunning. This is my favourite colour of the palette. And I'm going to apply that all over that concealer. I'm going to leave like the tiniest gap at the front. And also, if you wet your brush, you do obviously get a lot more products onto the brush. But I literally feel like these palettes, you don't have to wet your brush to get a lot of it off, like a lot of product onto your brush. So with this, it's just so easy, because this is why I love Makeup Revolution, because the quality is just insane. I mean, like, look at how pigmented that is. That is crazy. She is pigmented. Woo. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this colour called Strawberry, which is this pink, and I'm going to apply that into the other bit, like this bit here, and just kind of apply that on, just to add a little bit more colour. So just into these bits here. And then what I'm going to do on the other side is I'm going to grab the colour Topped, and I'm going to apply that into the inner corner. Just to create a little bit more brightness. Okay, and then the last thing that I like to do, grab the colour Strawberry, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. I just feel like this makes such a nice look. I'm going to go away and clean my eye makeup up now, and I'm going to put some mascara on, and I'll be back. So I am back, and I've cleaned it up and I put some mascara on. The other thing that I do want to do, which I completely forgot, is apply some product, put some eyeshadow on my brow bone. So the colour that I like to use for my brow bone is the colour Topped again, and I'm just going to put that up here, just to highlight my brow bone, and on the other brow as well. And there we have it, guys. So that is basically the eye makeup look that I've created with the Cotton Candy palette. I just feel like this palette is just so adventurous, and this is definitely a makeup look that I would literally go out wearing. Like, it's so pretty. It's kind of really girly and also just really nice, and you saw like literally how easy it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to link this product down below because you've got to get your hands on it. It's so good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out my Instagram and my social medias, and please subscribe if you enjoyed the video and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!